Want to create your own YouTube gaming logo? You're in the right place. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video I'll show you how to make your own YouTube gaming logo in no time at all with the Placeit logo maker. First, head to placeit.net, choose Logos and YouTubers. You can type your channel name in the top bar to see how your name would look on all the available YouTube gaming logos, and then select one that you like. Or you can browse the logo templates first to find one that you like and add your channel name during customization. When you find a YouTube gaming logo you like, click on it to open the YouTube gaming logo maker. To start customizing your logo, move to the controls on the right of the template and choose an image for your logo. Here you can also opt to use no image at all for a full text logo, or if there's a specific image that you have in mind, you can enter a search term in the bar here to find more appropriate images. Once you've chosen your image, choose a background color and then a main color and accent color for your image. Now move to the left side of the logo maker and enter the channel name for your logo. Here you can change the font and the color of the font if you want. When you've finished and are satisfied with your design, hit the download button. This will take you to the download page where you have two options for purchasing your template. You can either pay for a single logo purchase or sign up for the monthly or yearly subscription that offers you unlimited downloads of all Placeit's designs, mock-ups, logos, videos, and much more. Now that you know how to make a gaming logo for YouTube, let's look at some of the best YouTube gaming logo templates available at Placeit. Placeit offers a wide range of terrific YouTube gaming logos for every taste and style. So head on over today and create your very own logo in no time at all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, show me how much by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other fantabulous videos from Envato Tuts Plus, press the big subscribe button. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.